I thought I might rather go somewhere where people really know what they're doing, not just...
Oh, thank you. So we actually look straight ahead for me, and I'm going to ask you to tilt your head slightly over towards your left shoulder, just slats. Probably come a bit closer to me, not as far as that. That's brilliant. To remind you, you've had the operation, your grommets fitted in your ear in the past. On the second occasion, the grommet actually fell behind your eardrum and you had to surgery to remove that. How long ago was that surgery that you had?
Oh, a long time, at least 20 years.
So I managed to get suction on the wax and it's slowly coming out. There is a lot in here. I'm just gently teasing it. Hopefully it comes out in one big mass. You feeling okay?
Yeah, fine. I'm a bit excited.
Got a piece out there. The wax is quite dark in colour, so I'm assuming it's been here for a while.
Yeah.
The reason why it goes so dark, the wax oxidizes. It's
Oh,
a darker
right,
colour. Yeah, you've just got some skin attachers just blocking my tube. So the plug of wax is actually larger than the entrance of your ear canal, so we're just gently manoeuvring it out.
I know that the opening on that ear is slightly wider than my left.
That
I
could be
suppose
due to...
because of my surgery also.
That's correct.
It always makes you think.
You're going to be quite amazed. You've got your grommet embedded into the wax. So there's a grommet here. Yeah, I'll show you in a moment.
Wow.
So grommets...
Have you seen that before?
A couple of times, yes. So grommets naturally come out, especially the grommet that you've got. It's called a shard grommet, and it comes out the ear canal. Off the eardrum, and it naturally makes its way out of the ear itself.
That is a long time.
Got a bit of text in this side. Let's see if I can remove that. Skin can be very noisy to remove, as you just probably heard there. I've actually cleared your ear canal completely. I can see your ear.
Wow.
You've just got a bit of wax around the entrance of the ear, so I'll just get some of that out for you, but it's not going to cause any... Wax is actually good for you. It's kind of a myth that, oh, you've got a bit of wax, we need to remove it. Having a bit of wax in the ear is actually healthy. So let's have a look at your eardrum. Yeah, you can see you've had multiple surgeries, it's heavily scarred, but otherwise it's intact. And you're cured. How are you feeling?
Wow, amazing.
You hearing better?
Yeah, definitely.
That's great. So what I'll do, I'll show you the grommet. You don't wear hearing aids, do you? Because it could be a wax filter, yeah. So it's definitely the grommet. Because a wax filter and hearing aids looks very similar.
Wow, but that must have been in my ear. Like I don't know exactly how old I was. I would say younger than 10. I was definitely like on a children's ward kind of thing.
Oh, okay, paediatrics ward.
Yeah, it was definitely not. I was definitely one of the teenagers.
So what I'll do, I'll try and get this wax off it so we can have a proper look.
So is that kind of like just sort of sat waiting all
yeah,
the time?
it wouldn't have caused you any problems, and it's normal. The wax, the grommet comes out of the eardrum, as I said, and it migrates naturally out of the ear.
Yeah.
I suspect in your case it just got embedded in the wax, so it's nothing to be concerned about at all.
It's just, you kind of think, wow, that's a long time.
I'm just giving this
a...
I'm just giving this a wipe so we can have a proper look. Yeah, you often find weird and wonderful things in the ear.
Yeah, my GP said that, I don't know whether you've got chlorea again, if I could literally not see. It was just like...
I will do a test for you to see whether you have. It's a pressure test. There we are. So I've managed to get the wax off the grommet.
You don't think that would be any problem that's been in there so long?
No. Sometimes when the grommets are in situ, it can cause an ear infection because it's allowing a natural opening for bacteria, air, water to enter the middle ear, which is the space behind the eardrum, through the grommet. Because the grommet is a ventilation tube. It opens up the eardrum. It's a narrow passage, a hole, an open hole.
Yeah.
But your eardrum's not perforated. So as the grommets come out, it's healed. And this grommet was just trying to make its way out, poor thing, but it got stuck into the wax. But yeah, that's an interesting start to the morning.